After the customer has presented the original voucher and manifest, the dealer can begin the purchase process. Please do not begin any transactions prior to receiving the original voucher and manifest from the AirCheck applicant. The replacement voucher is a green tamper-proof document with several key features to pay attention to in order to fill out correctly. At the top in the middle of the pages is the date the voucher was issued to the buyer. This date is important because it begins the time frame that the purchase can be made. A car cannot be purchased before this date. Any paperwork reflecting an earlier date than shown at the top of the voucher will be reason for denial. This is the unique identifier that ties the voucher to the individual buying the vehicle from you. When entering information into the database or inquiring about the voucher, this is the number you will use. Above the voucher number is the region that this voucher has been issued. Be aware that any voucher that does not bear the name North Central Texas Region will not be honored if submitted for reimbursement. Voucher Name. On the left is the name and address of the buyer as it was given to us. Please make sure that this information matches that which appears on both the buyer's order and the title application. If those two documents show different information, a proof of address will be required. A utility bill or lease agreement will suffice. Also, a one and the same affidavit is required if the name on the submitted paperwork differs from that on the voucher. On the left in the middle of the document, you will find the retired vehicle information. Please make sure this information matches the vehicle that is to be taken in as a trade for the AirCheckTexas program. Verify that the make, model, and VIN are correct. Per the program rules, the vehicle must be driven onto your lot under its own power. No push, pull, or towing is permitted. Participant names. This information should match the address at the top of the voucher. Eligible cosigners. Cosigners are eligible to be used in the AirCheckTexas program. However, they are subject to the same income requirements and must be in the same household as the buyer. If there is a person listed here, they are permitted to co-sign on the deal. However, if it is blank or a different person is listed, the buyer must contact us and add them to the file. A new voucher will not be issued, but you will receive confirmation upon successfully adding an individual. Also, if a buyer has a co-signer listed but elects not to use one, they are not required and may purchase a vehicle by themselves. Back of the voucher. On the back of the voucher are checkboxes. These are here for your benefit to keep you on track and to reduce reason for voucher denial. As a task is completed, please mark the box as done. New vehicle information. The blanks located here are for the vehicle that is being sold. Please fill the blanks in accordingly. The only blank that may give you trouble if you aren't familiar with it is the underhood ID or test group number. It is the number located underneath the hood on the emissions sticker that all vehicles sold in America bear. If this sticker is missing, please contact the manufacturer for a replacement. Signatures and date. Please sign and date the bottom of the voucher. The authorization to sign the voucher lies with internal policy at each dealership. In other words, whoever has been deemed in charge of the vouchers is eligible to sign and date the document.